Welcome to NEFA Cabs Driver App Tutorial video. Let's get started. Fill your mobile number. Click here to continue.
Click Resend if not received OTP. Fill OTP here.
Click here for next process.
Fill your details to set up your profile. Click here to add profile picture. Select your picture. Resize your image. Wait here.
Fill your details.
Your name. Your email. Your address. Your emergency contact. Upload Aadhaar card. Upload PAN card. Upload driving license. Upload RC. Upload vehicle image. Upload pollution certificate. Upload insurance. Upload police verification document. Pay initial security amount. Choose your payment method. Fill your details. Click here to save changes.
Allow device location.
Allow notification. Wait until we verify your documents.
Click here for profile visibility.
Click here to search for rides.
You are now able to receive ride requests. Click here to accept ride. Click here when you arrived at destination. Click here to enter OTP. Enter OTP. Once you reach your destination, click here for next process. Click here to finish trip. Collect your fare amount. Click here for home screen. Process to withdraw money from your wallet. Click here for wallet. Click here to add new bank account. Enter your account number. Enter your IFSC code. Click here to add details. Click here to withdraw money. Enter your amount. Click here to add request. Congratulations, your amount has been transferred successful. Process to check your total rides. Click here for home page. Click here for more options. Click here for my trips. Here you can check all your rides at a glance. Thank you for joining NEFA Cabs. Embark. Let's lead, let's drive.